Hi and welcome to Fresh from My Garden. In today's video, I'm sharing different varieties of Dracaena plants that you can grow in your home and garden. This is the cornstalk or lemon lime variety of Dracaena plant. We have this plant in our living room. This is a sapling of the same plant in the pot that it has been planted. Dracaena plants are a commonly used house plant which can be kept indoors or in shaded areas in your garden. Another variety of this Dracaena plant, Dracaena marginata, this is also another one that we have in our living room. There are a lot of varieties of Dracaena that are available in the nurseries. You can check your local nurseries for Dracaena varieties that you can grow in your garden or indoors. This is another variety. It is known as Dracaena fragrans. We are growing this in a shaded area outdoors. This also has small saplings that is growing from the bottom of the mother plant. Once these saplings grow big, you can transplant them to a bigger pot. Dracaena is a shade loving plant, so make sure that whenever you buy a Dracaena plant, you either place them indoors or in a spot outdoors where it doesn't get too much direct sunlight. Since this plant is usually placed in a shaded area or indoors, it doesn't require too much of water. Make sure to water this only once in 3-4 days or once in a week. To propagate a Dracaena, you just need a stem cutting. You can just take a stem cutting and place it in a bottle of water for a few days till you see roots and then transplant it to a pot or a container. This plant also doesn't require too much of fertilizing. You can just fertilize it once a year with cow dung manure or any normal fertilizer that you use for all the other plants in your garden. This plant, when placed in the sun, you can see that these leaves get burnt, or if the watering is also less, you can see browning tips on the leaves. So make sure to water them and place them in a spot accordingly. The most commonly found pest attack on Dracaena plants are the mealybug pest attack. To remove these mealybugs, you can either forcefully spray with water to remove them or make a chili garlic pesticide that can be easily made at home. In my channel, I have another video on how to make a homemade pesticide to get rid of mealybugs. So these are some of the easy tips to take care of this beautiful plant which comes in a lot of varieties. This is the Song of India or the Dracaena reflexa variety. We have two plants of this in our front garden, which is a shaded part of our garden. So these are a few tips to remember while taking care of the Dracaena plant. They are shade loving plants. They can be placed in a shaded area outdoors or in a well lit area indoors. They need to be watered only once in 3-4 days when the soil is dry and fertilized probably once a year. And they are easy to propagate from stem cuttings. This is the red Dracaena variety on which you can see some flowers. This is also a blooming variety of Dracaena plants. So I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching Fresh from My Garden.